Good morning, everyone. Today I have one MacBook Pro, the model A1278, and I already opened up the screws just to save the time for the videos. The problem with it is customer was trying to open every single connector, the flex cable, and unfortunately he damaged the touchpad connector. Okay, so example how it happened, let me show you. Okay, when you open it, you really need to open from both sides. Okay, lift it out like this. Okay, but if you try from the front or maybe from the one side, if the pulling doesn't keep the balance, it could be damaged, because as you can see there are a lot of connectors in here. Okay, and it's very easy to damage. 1 second, there is something. Okay, anyway, so when he was trying to open it up, he pressured so much from the front, he lifted it off and it broken. It doesn't work anymore. So I open up every single screws just to save our times for the video, and that is the flex I was talking about, this flex. Okay, when I observe it from very close, I realized there are some pins already came off from the actual flat flex board. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna resolder it, and I think it should be fine. We don't need to replace it, but anyway, it's not too expensive. If you know how to fix, then why should you buy new one? And this is original anyway. So let's fix it within 2 minutes. I got my heat gun and soldering machine in here. Let's turn it on. I put a little bit more temperature just to get it on quicker, and I go solders, resin, and hopefully that's enough. Yeah, still no one. Let's check. We need to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, as I can see here, I'm sorry I don't have any microscope, that's why I can't show you, but there are a few pins already. When I seen with magnifier glasses, I found there were some pins already came off when he tried to pull out from the face, Yeah, a little bit of shoulder, not too much. Yeah, very careful, don't try to add so much. Yeah, and from this side, this is the flex. Yeah, this teeth also out. I want to go each of every one slowly, because I don't know if there is any one of them left. Okay, so once it's soldered, what you need to do, let it cool down, and then we're gonna clean the soldering connection. It's cold already. I'm gonna give it a little bit of clean. Okay, so it only happened like when you try to disassemble your MacBook Pro. This is the situation it happened. Otherwise, it doesn't get damaged that quickly. And it would be even better if you have a very fine nails or safety pin just to separate the connectors, because sometimes if you are not too good with the soldering, it could be connect with the next one. Okay, so make sure you double check if there is no any short circuit. All right. Okay, so it seems it's fine now. The connection is quite bright. Sorry. I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna pause the video for a second and we'll get back and see if the flex is working. Stay with me until then. Thank you. Alright, so I already placed the battery, everything in. I'm not gonna put the screws until I check. So let's put the power on. Okay. So it's charging, everything is fine. Let's turn on the machine. Hopefully the touchpad is working now. It's loading up. So that's a quick and easy repair. If your touchpad doesn't work, mostly for this model, it's better to check, because it could be happen normally if previously somebody opened up your motherboard for some reason due to cleanup or repairs or something else. Okay, so there is the cursor we can see. We're gonna check now. Yeah, see, it does work, so everything is fine now. Okay, everything is working, so it's done. And in case if you are failure, what you should do, you can just buy one. It's not too expensive, but anyway, that is a quick and easy repair. And for the beginner, you need to be careful when you put the solders on the connector, because if you add too much, it's gonna be make a bond in between two connections, so that could be even confuse the system, you know. So make sure after you solder it, you clean it, you give it a bit clean up, and then observe the every single connectors, bits and teeth. Make sure all of them on place. Once it looks okay, connect it and kickstart, and then see how it goes. Okay, so everything is fine now. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, then like it. If you even subscribe is much better for me. Thank you so much, and bye for now. See you again.